Alright boys, we are picking up the new truck, you know what I'm saying. And we have a special guest today. Whoa, Rocky Hard Work 4.
That's a little tight.
You're looking great though. You look great.
So this is where all the magic happens.
That's where all the magic happens.
There's the beat. Start it up. Start it up.
That's Gary all the time on the shows like start it up.
Start it up.
She's sleeping though.
And mine too. That time of the year.
You ready for a new light?
Ready.
There you go. Gary's Sierra. Okay, let me feel jealous now.
Don't be showing the videos of my dirty truck.
It's not, dude. If it.
I'm embarrassed.
You have no idea what is a dirty truck.
It's January. You can't clean.
And this thing is, man, look how much leg space you have. That's when you feel the Colorado super small though. Love it. I love this truck though. I need to get one myself. Who knows, one day when I make Gary's money.
There you go, yeah.
We gotta get our coffee.
Yep.
It's not that early though. Your rewards.
Maddie's drinking caramel latte though.
It's not a real main thing?
No.
Fair enough, fair enough. We are getting, he's gonna, do all new lights on his veg. And we're gonna check if this guy is a fake or whatever, right?
We're gonna see.
And then we're gonna pick it up the new truck, which, I mean, a lot of people are gonna be mad that it's not my truck. I will explain later. But it's not, don't be mad on me. I'm a Chevy guy, right? Because a lot of people comment on my videos like, you traitor. You are one of those. He was one of those. And people are like, you traitor. You got a Ford. Just relax. I'm gonna explain you guys. We're gonna learn this thing together and I hope it's gonna be fun. A lot of work though. A lot of work. So this, we were talking about that this truck you can order with a sunroof, and Gary is saying that this is like the base. Oh, sorry, this is the base.
Yeah, this is the cheap one.
This cheap
man,
one.
I'm sorry.
We are talking.
Thanks, bud. Happy New Year.
Here's the real coffee, though.
Oh, this is your latte.
I was like,
God forbid I get a sip of that, I'll puke.
If you try it, you're never gonna have something.
Cheers, brother.
Cheers.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. So we were talking about this truck. It's like the simple version, but it's still a lot of stuff. The only thing I think though about the Chevy trucks, have you ever tried a Ram truck?
Yeah, well,
like the screen, it's like insane.
I like it, but they end up getting a lot of rot.
Yeah.
Those things, they're known to rot away.
Yeah. But this thing is sweet though. Well, of course he's a Giants fan. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for the Giants though.
Look.
Seattle is not doing well too, so we are on the same page.
No, they suck.
And you might get Wilson though.
They suck. Well,
Giants might get Wilson, which I'll root for the Giants.
Wilson will get run over in the backfield as soon as he snaps the ball.
Gary's a bunch of good stuff for the veg. I'm gonna help him to install, not today though, but I just came here to make sure that he got what he needs. Then the guy just sells it. Pretty good deal though. This was basically what I did with my Corvette C5, but with more stuff. So we're really happy for him. All right, you happy?
Am I happy?
Yeah.
I don't know. Am I happy with that? That's good.
You should be though. You should be happy though. It's exactly the same stuff that I plan to buy for my car.
Cool.
All right. So now.
Well, you got cool taillights in yours. I like yours, how they turn.
Yeah, but
that's what I wanted to. I could not find them for a C5 anywhere.
Now you got it.
The C6. Yeah, well, yours when you turn it on, they rotate.
Yeah, mine's pretty different. It's hard to find mine.
I couldn't find them for a C5. All I could find was these. But these are pretty cool.
Oh man, it's gonna change your car so much. And I think I have LED for your headlights at home.
Yeah.
And I might just throw that for you. I'm serious though. It's sitting there. If it fits your car, it's yours. There you have it. What do you think? Look at that. Well, I have a lot of explanations to do. Oh, look. There's a piano. The truck comes with a piano.
Piano. New sound system. Style sound system.
Oh, man.
These things weigh a ton. I moved one of these once. Is that right?
Dude, we got ourselves a freaking Ford. The Gary's just talk about it, right?
Trader. It's not his though.
It's not, yeah, that's, I'll explain more. So my father-in-law got this truck, which it's F-150, 04 F-150. And I will show you guys here once we get home. It's a pretty rough shape, especially the fenders. That's why I bought the fenders. But it's not my truck though. Although I'm gonna get to work on it, and I think that's the nice part. Right? I help family, and I also get this truck in a better shape than it is now. Consider that this truck has 300,000 miles. It's in good shape though. It's a 150. My father-in-law does a lot of construction work, but at the same time, sometimes he stays a long time without doing anything construction related. So the goal here is to clean the truck, get the truck in better shape. Of course, changing the fenders and the bumper just to a better look. I'm gonna upgrade everything for LED. It's not gonna be a complete overhaul, but it's gonna the goal is to try to make the truck better, which I think we can achieve that really easy. A complete interior cleanup, because this interior here is ridiculous filth. You guys know me, I like a clean interior, but that's it. Don't be mad at me because I got a Ford, because that's not my truck. I think I have my plate full of stuff, and as of now I don't need anything else. I have the Colorado going on, which I have a lot of stuff going on in the Colorado. Traction bars, tow mirrors, Jeep cover, and a couple of other stuff. I have the white body coming to the Corvette. So I just figure, you know, it's not the right time to buy a truck, but at the same time my father-in-law needs help, and that's where this truck comes in. It's a Ford though. I never deal with a Ford. We'll see how that goes. I had the parts sitting in my garage. I just got a check engine light. So you see how that goes. But yeah, the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change the fenders. We're gonna probably paint in the garage, but once I get home I'll show you guys better how are the fenders and some problems that I'm gonna try to attempt to get it. All right, so well, you guys saw I got a piano though. Yeah, it's free, you know what I'm saying? Like, and the goal is my son, if he wants to start, that's just a start for him. So I used to play piano, but it's been a while that I don't play. But anyway, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change all the fenders. That's why you guys saw I got the fenders. The front bumper, it's garbage, is gone. Maybe we're gonna get him new wheels and tires, but I don't know. I'm not gonna fund those. And of course the interior, the worst parts of the truck are this fender, the bumper, it's gone, it's garbage. So that's why I got a new one. The back the back quarters are starting to show rust here, see, but I'm not gonna touch those. And of course the interior, I'm gonna try to do a repair here. If you guys have any idea what would be a good repair, and also clean up, because you see that's not staying like this. We're gonna remove the seats, take the seats out, shampoo the entire carpet, clean the dash, clean everything, make this thing smells good. It's not actually in bad shape though. If you look at it, right, it's not in bad shape at all, but can get better, of course do. It's a 300,000 miles truck. I don't think it would be perfect by any shape or form. Don't get mad at me, this is not my truck. It's far away to be my truck, but I wanna take the chance to do it. As I said, I have my plate full of stuff. I have the Corvette to do, I have the Colorado, which a bunch of parts are down to the powder coat shop. And the next on the agenda pretty much should be the tow mirrors, because I need to get those done. And then we're gonna start working. I should get the fenders and the quarters for the wide body Corvette by the end of January. So we have a bunch of stuff to do, and I'm pretty excited. It's gonna be a learning curve. Thank you so much, Gary, for, you know, going to pick it up. Oh, we also gonna install all the lights on Gary's Corvette. Maybe this week, we'll see. Depends on my schedule, his schedule. So we'll see how that goes, right? I hope you guys enjoy. I'll catch you guys next one. Don't forget, enjoy your life and work hard for it.